All right. In example 4, we have Mr. Potato Head. I don't know if you ever played with Mr. Potato Head when you were a kid, but um, it was a pretty common toy back in my day, but I don't know about you guys. But Mr. Potato Head, he has 4 hats. He has 3 sets of eyes. He has 2 noses. He has 3 mouths and 1 pair of ears. He has 1 pair of arms and 4 sets of shoes. How many ways can Mr. Potato Head be assembled? Assume that we must have 1 set of eyes, 1 nose, a mouth, 2 ears, 2 arms, 2 shoes, and he does not have to wear a hat. Okay, so those are important. Okay, so also the pair of eyes and the shoes cannot be separated, and parts must be placed in the appropriate slots. Okay, so he can't split the shoes up. He can't put one from one pair and another one from another pair of shoes. Yeah, they're stuck together, and we can't put the nose in the ear hole or so. So we're gonna assume that we're placing everything in the appropriate spots. All right, so let's think about what our choices are. Now, the first thing that's listed here is hats. We have 4 hats, so we have to choose a hat. We have to choose eyes. We have to choose noses, a nose, right? We have to choose a mouth. We have to choose ears. We have to choose arms. And we have to choose shoes. Okay, so now we just need to think about how many choices we have for each of these tasks. Probably the trickiest one is the hats, because it says we have 4 hats, but then it says that he doesn't have to wear a hat. Okay, so we can leave a hat off. That's an option. So we actually have 5 choices for hats, because no hat is an option. So no hat is if one of our choices is a choice. Okay, so other than that, it's pretty straightforward. We have 3 sets of eyes, so that means we have 3 choices for eyes. We have 2 noses, so we have 2 choices for nose. We have 3 mouths. We have 1 pair of ears, so there's only 1 choice. 1 pair of arms, okay, only 1 choice. And we have 4 sets of shoes, and he's got to have some shoes so he can stand up. All right, so that's just telling us all the number of ways, all the different choices we have for each task. Okay, and all we need to do then is multiply them together, and we'll get the total number of ways that we could put together Mr. Potato Head. So when I do that, if I multiply all those numbers together, I got 360 ways to put together Mr. Potato Head. All right, so the next problem, you should give it a try on your own, and I'll meet you in the next video if you want to go through it.